Hi everyone. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how you can improve your strength, vitality, and improve your mood in just one simple 30-second exercise a day. Coming up. Hi everyone. This is Ernesto from Attaboy Cowboy, and on this channel we give you health and wealth tips to help you be successful. Now today I want to share with you a simple exercise I do every morning to help you improve your mood and help you just have a better day all around. So one of the most important things we do is breathe, right? Without breathing, we wouldn't be here. So it's a simple exercise. All you want to do is that when you inhale, you want to pretend you're filling up a balloon. So as you inhale, your inhalation is going to be 2 to 3 seconds. So you're going to go, pull your belly out, hold it for a second, and then as you exhale, the exhalation is going to be twice as long, 4 to 6 seconds. I can feel the immediate results. What happens is when you distend your chest cavity like that, it causes your body to release nitric oxide. And nitric oxide is a really powerful antioxidant in your body that also helps increase your circulation. So whenever you take a deep breath, that's going to cause that release of the gas. That's going to cause some vasodilation in your vessels. That increase of blood, oxygen, nutrient flow through your body obviously is going to make you feel much better. So let me break it down into some steps. First step is you breathe in through your nose. The reason why you breathe in through your nose and not through your mouth is because there's some obstruction naturally through your windpipe and through your throat. So that causes you to breathe in much slower when you go in through your nose. So you want to slow down the process. The second deal is you want to make sure you push out with your diaphragm, this muscle here. Push it out as you breathe in. Distend so that you're releasing that nitric oxide and so that you make more room for oxygen and air to actually get into your body. A lot of times people don't breathe properly. I see that a lot in the hospitals when I work with patients that have respiratory problems, and also when I worked as a trainer with athletes and for myself when I ran marathons. If you look at someone that runs a marathon, they're not doing what's called frog breathing. They're not using these muscles up here. That's called frog breathing. These muscles are small, these pec muscles. They get tired, you're gonna get fatigued, and you're not gonna be able to run as long or do your activities long. What you wanna do is you wanna use these big muscles down here. This is called your diaphragm. It's a big muscle that dissects through the middle of your body, and it gives you a lot of strength. It allows you to pull out your lungs and open them up so more air gets in. When you don't use your diaphragm, you're not expanding your lungs all the way. So basically you're only using maybe half of your lung capacity. I'll give you an example. It's kind of like when you use these muscles up here, it's like trying to push a piece of furniture with your finger and move it. It's going to be a lot of work and it's probably going to hurt your finger. But when you use your diaphragm, it's like using these big leg muscles and pushing that chair out of that way or that sofa or whatever the case. It's going to be much easier because these muscles are much stronger, so they're able to do a lot more work. So you want to breathe efficiently by using the muscle that's the strongest. It's going to be a lot less effort for you to breathe and to get more oxygen in. That's why when you run track or you play basketball or any kind of sport that you do, the most important thing you need to do is learn how to breathe properly. In fact, professional singers and people like that, they also do breathing exercises. It's vital to pretty much any type of activity where you need to function at a high level. So again, breathe in through your nose so you can kind of control the pace. Extend your stomach as you inhale. Blow it out like a balloon. That's step number 2. Step number 3, as you exhale, you're going to use pursed lips. Like you're blowing out a candle. In the hospital, we tell the patients, smell the roses, blow out the candles. The reason why you want to purse your lips like that, like you're blowing a kiss, is because if you don't, you're just gonna go. If you've ever seen someone panting, or when you're tired after running, you go. The air just comes out really fast. You don't want that. You want to slow the release of the air. The reason being is that your exhalation should always be twice as long as your inhalation. So again, 2 to 3 seconds to inhale, 4 to 6 seconds to exhale. The reason why you want to do that is because you did all this work to get the air in when you took a breath. You want your lungs to actually have some time to suck oxygen out of it that your body needs. So if you're panting and you're going, you're not going to be able to suck that oxygen out of there. So you're doing all this extra work for nothing. You're going to just pull maybe 10% out at a time, and you're going to have to do twice as much of that panting. So that in itself is going to cause you to burn a lot of energy, and it's just going to make you more and more tired. So panting is not good for you. You want to try to breathe controlled. When you purse your lips, you exhale slowly, and it gives your lungs time to do their work and extract the oxygen out of there. So it's going to be much better for you. Now, every morning when you get up, sit up on the edge of the bed, and I want you to try this quick meditation. As you're inhaling, I want you to visualize calmness coming into your body. So you're breathing in. As you exhale, smile. You're exhaling happiness, and you're filling yourself and the space around you with happiness. So inhale, calm, exhale, happiness. What you can do is, if you're lying down, you can get a book, lie it on your stomach, and I want you to inhale and watch that book get pushed up with your stomach. And as you exhale, watch it go back down. Now, all this sounds really simple. It sounds like, wow, why would I need to learn how to breathe? I breathe every day. Well, it's very, very rare that I see someone that breathes properly. In fact, the only people that I see that breathe properly are babies. If you've ever had a baby, look at that baby in the crib. You'll see them breathing with their stomach. You'll see their stomach breathing with every breath. That's the most efficient way to breathe. As we become adults, we're in a rush. We build up bad habits. That's one of the habits we build up. We start using these upper muscles to breathe. You're doing this frog breathing. That makes you pant. And again, you're only going to use maybe half of your lungs. And if you combine that with panting, you're only going to use maybe 10% of the air that's coming in. So you're already at a significant disadvantage just by using your stomach. And then you're already inhaling about 2 to 4 times as much oxygen as you normally would get into your body. So you're going to obviously do a lot less work. That's why when you look at people that run marathons and they're running for hours at a time, they're doing the breathing techniques that I'm showing you today because it helps you breathe more efficiently. If you play hockey, you play football, whatever the case, you're going to want to use these exercises to breathe more efficiently. So every morning when you get up, just do these exercises. Take 4 deep breaths. That's it. At night before you go to sleep, you can take 4 deep breaths to kind of calm your body, chill you out. During the day, if you're in a stressful situation at work, you're in a stressful situation in a relationship or whatever the deal is, just kind of tune out for a second and just take some deep breaths. You're going to release that nitric oxide and you're going to feel an immediate response. Your body's going to calm down, your blood pressure is going to drop, and your mood is going to improve. You're going to feel much happier. You're going to be better able to deal with whatever stressful situation comes your way. So thank you very much for listening. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you.